Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to another episode of Bowl or Brown Out Loud, a podcast where stories come to life in the most fun and light-hearted way possible. I'm your host Sania, and as per Parampara, Pratishtha, Anushasan, I'm joined by my co-host and sister Anam.
तुमसे ना हो पाएगा सानिया. On the first and third Tuesday of every month, तारीख पे तारीख, we'll bring you stories rooted in our brown experiences. Cause हमारी छोरियां छोरों से कम नहीं. Whether it's a wild adventure, a quirky character, or a kahani में twist, we will share stories that are sure to make you laugh. So with that, Sanya, let's get this episode started.
Today's episode is about going to the movies, or how we like to say, picture देखने जा रहे हैं. Every Desi has so many memories associated with going to the movies because it's such an integral part of our entertainment culture.
Yeah, every time I think of celebration, it was about going to the movies. Whether we went through a whole week, whether it was a birthday party, or whether what do we do as a family, we just go to the movies, right?
Yeah.
I mean, it has so many other nostalgic things attached to it, like what do we wear, who are we going with, and just like everyone had the specific thing that they ate during the intermission, and that sound tring of that cold drink wala coming in. I mean, I miss all of
Yeah.
that.
Yeah. And Anam, you were never decided on what you would eat. You were always conflicted of whether you wanted to eat a samosa or a patties. You were like, what should I eat? What should I eat?
The world is my oyster.
All right.
Do you-
Anam, I thought it would be interesting to think about like the first time people, you saw a movie in the theater. And for
Hmm.
most people, it's a magical experience. But for you, it was a very anxiety inducing experience. So guys, Anam's first movie in the theater was Dunstan Checks In.
Wait, it was एक बंदर होटल के अंदर. I was watching a dubbed movie because yeah.
Yes, because our English was not so good when we were
No, because
kids.
English movies were not released in Lucknow at that time.
Oh, I thought we took you because you wouldn't understand the English movie.
Of
But
course.
anyway,
Hmm.
anyway, so Anna was super excited. This is the first film. And then she sat, and the first 4 minutes of the movie are shot from the point of view of the monkey. So, it's on monkey's eye line, and you could only see like human feet. Uh, and Anna was like, "What? I can only see feet. Can you guys see like the whole body?" And we were like, "Yeah, we can see the whole body." And she was so, so disappointed and upset. And she was like, repositioning herself and lying down. And she was like, "How can I see the whole body?" That was the best 5 minutes of the movie that I had.
There is another part to it, which obviously you had a role to play with it. After the movie ended, we came out, and Sanya just wanted, as usual, wanted to play mind games with me. And she said, "You thought that was the end? It's not the end. It was the second intermission. Amma had some work, so we had to leave." And I was like, "What?" And she's like, "Yeah, Dunstan really doesn't check out of that hotel, and everyone's watching the movie, but we had to take you out." And I was like, no way, I would never get closure. So, yeah. I remember for my birthday, my mom asked me, what do I want? And I said, Dunstan Jackson's video cassette because I really wanted to see the ending. But speaking of watching movies and translating them, the only movie that came in English, an English movie that came in English in Lucknow was Titanic. And so we went as a family because that's what the whole world was doing. We were watching and rewatching Titanic. And I was sitting with my mom, and the first time I heard the word fiance, and I was like, Mom, what does that mean? And without any hesitation, Amma was like, brother. So we saw the whole movie thinking, why does this brother have anger issues is if his sister is falling in love? Like the auntie in me was like, uski shaadi to kisi na kisi din hogi, right? So yeah, I didn't get the movie most of the time because I was like, why is this brother making such a big scene? Like, give her the necklace.
Man, the Hanam had this whole parallel movie playing with a weird incestual brother sister dynamics. Like she went for Titanic, but she watched a R-rated film in her head.
I don't know why my mom would do that. Like, she wanted to, as it
Mind
is, she.
game.
Yeah, I wonder where you get it from, Sanya. Like, my mom put us in convent, and then she was like, let's just ruin Anam's perception of the world and say no one gets married, everyone's a brother and sister in this world. So she was like, fiance means brother. But yeah, that's my take on my movie experiences. Sanya, do you have any movie experiences?
I can't top these, so I won't share.
So I think when we were researching all of this, a big part was we, like I mentioned, watched a lot of English Hollywood movies in Hindi. But the best part was when they used to advertise a Hindi title. So what we've done, just for fun's sake, Sanya and I have picked up some movies we don't know, and we're going to try to guess their actual names.
Okay. What do you think Bhagodi Dulhan was?
I think it was Tomb Raider.
Tomb Raider? Like,
Yeah.
oh, that is like,
Bhagodi, because Angelina Jolie is always running and she's always like a dulhan. Like her face is like a bride.
how
She's so pretty.
that is not what Angelina Jolie was doing in Tomb Raider, but sure. Let's reduce her to she was so pretty, just like a bride. No, Anna, that was not the movie. The movie title for Bhagodi Dulhan was Runaway Bride.
Oh, like literally.
Yes.
Okay, my chance. Jism ki bhook. Sanya, I'm going to
Jism
give
ki
you everything
bhook.
I own if you guess this.
If I were you, I would say Hunger
Mm.
Games, but I know
Ooh.
that cannot be Jism ki bhook. Uh,
Nice way
uh,
of trying your luck by using me, huh? Continue.
Jism ki bhook would be uh, Dracula?
No, Sanya. Basic Instinct. Remember we watched it?
Everyone has watched that film, Anam.
Mm,
Okay. Dracula was a good guess, Anam.
no, it wasn't. Tanya, this brought out a memory that we forgot to mention that our house was strategically placed next to an R-rated movie theater
An
where we used
adult
to
movie theater, yeah.
only see the posters but have never gone inside or never allowed to. And the most iconic one that stands out was Biwi Tumhare Bache Hamare.
It was
Would
a
you want
movie
to
about
translate
a
that?
baby daddy. Yeah.
Do you want
The
to
movie is
translate
called
that to
Baby
me?
Daddy.
Baby daddy in the 90s.
Okay, let's discuss some habits of moviegoers. One that comes to mind, Anam, is a phone user, which you are. You love to use the phone because you just love to do that. I don't know why. That ad that we get in the movie theaters of like to switch off your phone, and I used to wonder who is on the phone. That ad was made for Anam.
Family over entertainment, Sanya. Learn it. I have one. First day, first show watcher. I'm married to one of them.
Yep.
One of them. My husband has bunked work to watch, obviously, Shah Rukh Khan's first day, first show movie, and then Karma had to bite him in the ass. So he went to watch the movie, and right in front was his boss, also bunking work. We also have those movie goers who are like whistling. But Sanya, do you remember the time when the laser light was in craze? Like people had laser light in their keychain.
Yes. It was a craze, like Anam said
Like
it.
people were putting it on screen. Like I went to see a James Bond movie and someone was just putting a laser light through his nostrils the whole time. Like he's digging his nose. Sania, and the thing was like sometimes it would like kisne mara hai slash ko, and then people would point who their suggested murderer was. They were like, isne nahi usne. It was hilarious.
Suspects, yeah. That laser. I miss the laser sometimes. We had. We didn't do that in the movies, but it was a fun thing when it
And
came out.
Sanya, like the privileged people who had better laser lights had "I love you" wala lens they used to keep putting on people.
Like on Karina Kapoor, like they would like put their laser, I love you, Karina Kapoor. Like, duh, dude, we get it.
I remember one time, one of our cousins shared that, she was just outside the movie theater and she was laughing with her friends, getting excited about the movie. And this bugged up audience came out from the previous show. And this guy looked at their happiness and was like, हंस लो जितना हंसना है सब बंद हो जाएगी हंसी अभी picture देख के. Like, he was so bugged after watching the movie. But
He gave the true spoiler that this movie ain't funny.
all right, enough of talking about movies. And now we're going to move to Kissa time because picture abhi baki hai dost. Sanya, your chance. Go ahead.
This kissa is about a group of cousins, a child, and a movie theater. So one day, a cousin of ours was able to get tickets for a movie that we'd been really wanting to watch. And I don't know, by some fluke of luck or perseverance, that person was able to get like five, six tickets. And we were super excited. And as soon as the tickets got bought, they were claimed because so many people were interested in watching the movie. And on the day of the movie, like while as we were like getting ready and excited, one cousin of ours, she remembered that she was actually babysitting our niece on that day. And we were like, oh, I guess you can drop out. And, there's a big line of other people who would love to watch this film. And she was like, of course, FOMO. So she was like, no, 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 I'll manage it. I'll figure it out. I'll take my niece with me to the theater. And we were like, are you sure? And she was like, yeah, yeah, yeah. She can just sit on my lap. It'll be okay. I really want to watch the movie. And she's also going to love the movie. And my niece, who was 5 or 6 at that time, was super excited about this, as you can imagine, because she had been dancing to the songs from the movie for a while, and probably her mom wouldn't take her for that movie, So she was like, yay, I get to watch a movie in a theater, best day ever. God, she was so excited that we were like, okay, let's do it. Let's take this child with us to the movies. And when we go to the movies, she begins with sitting on my cousin who was babysitting her, sitting on her lap, and she's 5 or 6, and my cousin, I guess, gets tired of having a 6-year old on her lap, so she passes her around, to the person sitting next to her. And as that person gets tired, like, she gets passed around again. So this is constantly happening, every 15-20 minutes, that our niece is being passed around to a new lap. And at some point she ends up on me twice, thrice in the movie, that I am also like kind of tired with this whole process. And I make her sit on the steps of the movie theater. Like in every movie theater, there are those steps on the side that help you get to your seat. So I was sitting on the last seat and I had those stairs next to me. So I made her sit there. And now that she's on the stairs, my niece, and she's not bound by a lap, she has free reign. Like she's a free range kid at this point. So she's going up and down the steps and she is like reciting the dialogues and reenacting the scenes as she's going up and down the steps. And, because it's like in the side, not that many people are bothered by it. And we are like, okay, let her be. But at one point, a song comes up in the movie and she gets really excited and she runs down the steps to the front of the theater and she begins to dance there. And the shadow of her tiny body is being projected on the projector screen. So you can see like the movies playing, and at the bottom, there is like this tiny shadow bobbing. And as Karishma Kapoor is dancing to Tu Mera, Tu Mera, Tu Mera, Tu Mera, Tu Mera Hero number one, there's a little child also bobbing there. Um, and the people sitting in the front are obviously super annoyed and they are like, Arey hata sawan ki ghata, take your seat. Like, they're thinking somebody's trying to be a nuisance. And then they realize it's a child. So they're like, Arey baby, apni mummy ke paas wapas jao. Go to your mom, girl. And she is like interacting with those people. And she's saying, Meri mummy to yahan hai hi nahi, main to kuch bhi kar sakti hu. And she's like going on dancing and repeating dialogues, and those people are like, अरे हम birthday party में थोड़ी आए थे किसी बच्चे की, you know, we came to watch a movie, we paid to watch a movie, we paid to watch Karishma Kapoor and Govinda, not a 6-year-old dancing and repeating the same dialogues. You know, people are getting super annoyed and they are asking her to go, and she's like, nope, I'm gonna be here and I'm gonna dance, and I'm gonna repeat the dialogues, and I'm gonna watch this movie like theater belongs to me. And that's what she does. And everyone gets to watch two versions of the movie, like the version that's playing and a live reenactment by a 6-year-old. So, yep, that's how we watched Hero Number One.
Tanya, you are famous as the most responsible kid in the family, and look what you did to another kid. Like the
I
one.
didn't do it.
Of course, you were sitting last in line and you were like, my feet are hurting, my legs are hurting. You could have sent her back to the first person in the row, but you were like, go sit on the stairs. I mean, the bacha number one goes to our niece because she had her own movie going on and which was more entertaining than Govinda and Karishma. That's why people were getting distracted. And I love when everyone was like, "Jao apni mummy ke paas jao," and she was like, "वो तो यहाँ है नहीं." And she just kept on dancing.
She
And
was unhinged.
totally. It was like an Inception movie, a movie within a movie.
That's where Christopher Nolan stole the idea.
But Sanya, like, we were so embarrassed at that time because they were like, "ये किसका बच्चा है? किसका बच्चा है?" And we never owned up.
Yeah, because technically it was not our bacha. So,
Okay, Sanya, let's bring in your hot take scale for this story. Trauma, trauma, trauma. It was not traumatic at all. I don't know. We need to check in with our niece. Typical. That sounds like a you thing. This was a collective decision. Even though you were last in line, you could have passed that kid to the next person, but no, you were like, go sit on the stairs. Bolti band, too bizarre. From everything that we've shared on this podcast, this doesn't meet the bizarre standards. That's not saying much about us. Brown culture heirloom and good old LOL. Okay, I'm torn between 4 and 5. I think this is brown culture heirloom because if you're looking for quick money, brown folks just take the kids without paying for their tickets. And trust me, they are going to entertain the entire hall and you're going to do society a favor. Right, Sanya? So, brown culture heirloom.
wow. Who thought you would make a heirloom out of this story? Good job, Anam.
Sanya is praising me. This needs a special mention. And that's why I paused. Yeah. Okay, I just realized she was being sarcastic. Okay, go ahead, Sanya. Let's move on to our favorite bowl baby poll. We are playing our favorite game, Bowl Baby Poll.
Woohoo!
And this week, we asked our listeners, which one are you at the movies? The whistleblower? Claps and whistles and cheers, especially during hero's entry or heroine. The live commentator can't stop saying, Arey, I knew this would happen every 5 minutes. The credits dasher, sprinting out faster than Usain Bolt the second the movie ends. And the emotional wreck, crying and tears up at everything, even the studio logo. So, Sanya, I'm going to embody my Nina Gupta persona due to popular demand. So, from
Hmm.
कमजोर कड़ी कौन? तो सानिया, दर्शकों से हमने ये सब पूछा, आपको क्या लगता है दर्शकों का क्या था जवाब? टाइम नहीं है।
पहले आप बताइए कि कितने आदमी थे?
ये सब चीजें नहीं पूछ सकते आप इस शो में। ये एड का टाइम है। क्या आप कमजोर कड़ी हैं? हैं तो आप, बट बता दीजिए अपने जवाब से।
Oh, let me see. Which one are you at the movies? I would say, uh,
इतना टाइम तो हमारा
The
पूरा पॉडकास्ट नहीं लगाता जितना आप लेट मी सी कर रही हैं।
I would say the whistleblower.
द व्हिसल ब्लोअर, तालियां बजाना और सीटी बजाना, ये लफंगों की हैबिट्स आपको लगता है कि हमारे दर्शकों के पास हैं? आधे आधे लफंगे तो आपके दोस्त ही हैं, क्योंकि आधी दर्शक आपकी दोस्तें हैं। आर यू श्योर? कमजोर कड़ी में कोई हेल्पलाइन नहीं होती, सीधे मौत होती है। आपको पता है? सोच लीजिए।
I would say uh,
जवाब नहीं बदल सकती।
mm, I am torn between whistleblower and credits dasher.
ये
Uh,
देखिए, ये लाइव डिसीजंस ले रही हैं पॉडकास्ट के और यहाँ 2 ऑप्शन में नहीं चूज़ कर पाईं।
uh, I would go with whistleblower.
वही लफंगीपना। देखते हैं कि आपके दर्शकों ने क्या जवाब दिया है। सानिया, आप हैं कमजोर कड़ी, क्योंकि आपने गलत जवाब दिया है।
Oh
सबसे
no!
खराब जवाब अगर मैं कह सकती हूँ तो व्हिसल ब्लोअर था। औकात ही नहीं है आपकी इस गेम पे आने की। क्या कहना चाहेंगी आप अपनी हार के लिए?
Which option won?
ज्यादा अंग्रेजी ना झाड़िए। इमोशनल wreck tears up at everything, even the studio logo was the right answer.
No way!
अपने दर्शकों की धड़कनों को आप ना समझ पाई सानिया। हार चुकी हैं। कैसा लग रहा है आपको हारना? बड़ा
I don't
मजाक
believe
उड़ाया।
that. I don't believe that people said that they were emotional wrecks at the movie.
You don't believe in many things, including gravity. But how does it feel, Sanya? How does it
I
feel,
am
Sanya?
shocked. Shocked. I think cheating हुई है.
इनके साथ हर वक्त चीटिंग होती है और दूसरों की इन हार पे इन्होंने जो मजाक उड़ाया है वो सिर्फ हमारे दर्शक जानते हैं।
I have my doubts about your math skills. So I don't think you are calculating percentages.
मुझे पता था कि आप यही बोलेंगी, इसलिए मैंने परसेंटेज पे नहीं फोकस करके पाई चार्ट पे फोकस करके बोला है। तो मैं हक से कह सकती हूँ कि इमोशनल रेक गॉट 40.5% ऑफ वोट्स एंड जो आप क्रेडिट डैशर कह रही थी उसको 23.8% मिले थे। विसल
Oh.
ब्लोअर 21.4 और लाइव कमेंटेटर को 14.3। स्पीकिंग ऑफ गणित, what do you want to say now?
I am shocked that so many people are emotional wrecks at the movie. What's happening with people, dude? Like, why are you sitting and crying in the movies, man?
अंधेरे कमरे में कोई ना बात करे तो रोना तो आएगा, बट मैं आपसे ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि I am not shocked at all because this Bowl Baby poll has finally revealed Sanya's true expertise, which is
Which
nothing.
is?
Nothing. Failing. Okay. टाइम टू क्लोज, क्योंकि मुझे नीना गुप्ता का बन के मेरा बीपी हाई हो रहा है। पसीना टपक रहा है। पिक्चर अप खत्म हो गई है। So that's a wrap on another episode of Bowl. If we made you laugh or smile, please do us a favor, like, share, subscribe, and spread the word, especially in those family WhatsApp groups. Tune in on Apple, Spotify, YouTube, and JioSavan. You can find the links for all of these things in our Instagram bio. And if you want to be one of our darshak to participate in the polls, please go to our Instagram where you'll find all the active polls in the link in our bio. Until next time, it's us, Anam and Sanya, keeping the stories alive. Adab! Sanya? जा सानिया, जी ले अपनी जिंदगी।
Adab. Bye.